So they're growing up quite well. Isn't this one beautiful? Golden brown on the bottom and black on top. That's one of the chicks we hatched in our incubator. I think that one might be a rooster. This black one's a little bit speckly. That one's quite nice. Sometimes it's hard to tell if they're roosters or hens at this point still. I think the brown one in the corner, I think that's a rooster. You can see it's got a bit of a hangy underneath it. I think it's called a wattle. There's a brown one. I think that one might be a rooster too, but we'll see. Sometimes hens have fairly big wattles also. This little white one, that's one that we hatched. And this one right below me, I hatched her. I think that's a girl. I still turn the heat lamp on at night. I just turned it off actually just now. It's mid-morning. It's been really windy in Alberta right now, and they're in an outdoor coop. It's insulated and heated with the heat lamps. So they're doing really well, and they're growing a lot. But still need to take care of them. They have fresh water here that they're drinking. And we've been giving them grain. We gave them their chick starter, and we gave them grower, and now we've been giving them wheat and oats from our farm. Quite often we give them barley, but this time around they're getting these grains right now, and they spray their straw, and when I give them new bedding, some straw goes in, and they sometimes eat that or sometimes eat around it. These ones are all resting. And I let them outside. Also, they get to go outside. They like going out. So far, there's not a lot growing yet. It's still in April right now. But they like the exercise.